Welcome to Present Trade's tutorial on how to create a satellite surface for your drawing using civil site design on BricsCAD. First, open BricsCAD and load your road plan. Go to the View Model button and select Surface from Satellite. To import the surface, select the appropriate coordinate system for your project by choosing the relevant category and system. Optionally, you can define a starting point for the satellite image by clicking the corresponding button. Next, click Confirm Satellite Data to begin the process. As you'll see, Civil Site Design on BricsCAD processes this swiftly, offering very efficient and fast performance. In the top left, choose your preferred satellite source, such as Google, Bing, or Nearmap, in either standard or hybrid mode. For this tutorial, we'll use Google Satellite. Click Define Area to highlight the area you want to download, then click Accept and let the software calculate elevations and download the surface. If desired, you can opt for a lower resolution download to speed up the process. Once downloaded, a setup window will appear, allowing you to name your new surface for easy access and select a style. If there is an existing surface in your drawing, the Update Surface section will become available, allowing you to replace the old surface with the new one. Click OK when you're ready. And now you have a detailed satellite image with a surface ready for use. You can also create only the satellite image or the surface by going to the Surfaces tab and selecting Satellite Image. The steps will be the same. To refine or edit the surface, go to the Surface Manager. Here, you can adjust settings such as the grid interval, making it easy to customize how detailed the grid appears on your surface. Additionally, you have the option to export this surface directly from the Surface Manager, allowing you to use it in other drawings or projects. If you want to convert your CSD surface into a BricsCAD native surface, go to the Surfaces tab and click BricsCAD Surfaces. In the window that appears, select Add Surface Exchange and choose CSD to BricsCAD Surface. This conversion enables you to use BricsCAD's native tools for editing, like contour adjustments and terrain analysis, offering better integration with other elements of your project. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've created and customized a detailed surface using Civil Site Design on BricsCAD. It's a powerful way to blend satellite data with flexible design tools. Ready to take your projects further? Contact us for a free trial of BricsCAD and CSD and see the possibilities for yourself. Happy designing!